Disclaimer: this video includes historical material involving Adolf Hitler. The opinions, declarations, and beliefs shown in this content do not reflect the creator's personal views or convictions. It is shared solely for educational and documentary reasons, aiming to offer context and insight into history. We do not condone hate speech, prejudice, or the spread of radical ideas. Please watch with caution. Fellow Germans, workers of our nation, if this Sunday the German people once more place their confidence in me and affirm my role as their leader, then my words here represent not just my own voice, but the collective will of all Germany. What I express is no solitary individual's message. It echoes the renewed spirit of our people. A country shattered yet resurrected from devastation by means of discipline, solidarity, and effort. Just 3 years back, we were a land crushed in morale. Factories stood idle, labourers were jobless, young people lacked prospects. But observe your surroundings today. Notice the plumes of smoke ascending anew from the stacks, the whir of machinery under bright lights, the toilers back at their stations. This is Germany revived. We have reclaimed our decency as a people, a society of structure, honour and productivity. The German labourer can now hold his head high, no longer slaving pointlessly, but constructing with honour for his country's tomorrow. From hardship, we have reclaimed our identity. We have come to see that a nation's true power stems not from wealth or land, but from the vigour, resolve and ingenuity of its toiling masses. The worker's hands shape what lies ahead. The essence of toil upholds the land. In this brief span, we have achieved feats deemed unattainable by others. We have constructed highways linking our regions, plants fueling our urban centres, and dwellings protecting our loved ones. Fresh innovations, emerging sectors, and thriving settlements have sprung up throughout Germany, spanning the Rhineland to Bavaria, Saxony to the Ruhr. Vitality abounds. Activity surges. Direction prevails. We no longer turn a blind eye to the global community. We refuse to ignore fellow countries, yet we reject their verdicts over us. For far too many years, Germany knelt under external scrutiny. Those days have ended. I heed no overseas authorities. My accountability lies solely with the German populace. And to you, Germany's labourers, I pose this. Have I honoured my commitments to you? Have I committed fully to serving our folk? Have I poured all my energy in these times to revive your self-respect and your means of living? Only you hold the authority to evaluate me, not overseas statesmen, not outsiders ignorant of our battles. You, the builders, the workers, the givers, serve as my tribunal. As I tour our modern plants and witness the force of German toil or gaze at the glow of liquid metal in Essen's forges, I perceive beyond mere production. I behold a nation's pulse quickening. Every wheel that spins, every blow from an anvil marks our renewal. The world, once claimed Germany, would never recover. They insisted our determination was shattered, our citizens exhausted, our country fractured. They erred. With the might of your arms and the conviction in your souls, we have shown that no setback can annihilate a people determined not to yield. Spare me talk of mere formalities or ritualistic deeds. Forget about vacuous pacts or insincere declarations. Genuine harmony cannot arise from oratory and ink. It demands candour, diligence, and reciprocal regard. And that is our pursuit in Germany, forging stability via innovation, exertion, and cohesion. We have transformed into a force equal to any endeavour. No goal exceeds our reach. No obstacle proves insurmountable, provided we stay loyal to each other. German citizens, you have witnessed the thoroughfares we erected, the residences we established, the resilience we regained. You have observed that Germany now stands firm independently. Now I call on you. Will you join me as I have supported you? Will you uphold the efforts we started? If so, then rise with resolve.